Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more electrifying updates. And now, have you ever wondered what happens when a century-old luxury brand decides to rewrite its future? Bentley just answered that question at Monterey Car Week, and the result is nothing short of breathtaking. And the EXP 15 concept isn't just another sleek design, it's Bentley's bold declaration of their electric ambitions. Unveiled amid the glitz of Pebble Beach, this mobile sculpture offers a transparent look at where the brand is headed. Think of it as a roadmap, one that charts their course into the EV era while staying true to their iconic heritage. What makes the EXP 15 special? It's more than a prototype, it's a preview of Bentley's first all-electric model. By showcasing it to collectors and die-hard fans, Bentley isn't just flaunting design. They're gathering real-world feedback to refine their future grand tours. Now let's talk inspiration. The EXP 15 pays homage to one of Bentley's most legendary cars, the 1930 Blue Train Speed 6, the long hood, a poised stance, even the commanding presence is all there. We born for the electric age. But Bentley didn't stop at nostalgia. The EXP 15 features a quirky 3-seat layout, not for practicality, but pure indulgence. At extra seat, perfect for luggage or your pampered pup. 5 design pillars define the EXP 15's look. A sturdy front end, a reimagined grille, an unbroken bonnet line. Each detail screams Bentley while whispering electric. And let's not forget the muscular rear, flaunting a fresh take on their iconic badge. Most EVs shrink the hood for cabin space. Bentley, they kept theirs long and proud, blending tradition with innovation, or because why let go of legacy when you can reinvent it? Before heading back to England, the EXP 15 soaked up California's scenery, cruising the iconic 17-mile drive. In a poetic twist, it even met its ancestor, the original balloon train, completing a full circle moment and here's a joke to lighten the mood. Why did the Bentley cross the road? To prove petrol heads it could silently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, see you next time.